Salesforce delivers the Salesforce One platform, which provides a host of features and capabilities that our federal customers are using to kind of embed in their business and their missions. The solutions specifically range from kind of traditional customer relationship management, where they're reaching out to their employees or customers or citizens across multiple channels, having 360-degree views, to inspections, grants management, kind of complex case management type of things like eligibility requirements for whether it be healthcare or something the citizen is applying for. And then kind of at the other end of the spectrum is cloud application development, where we have agencies who are taking their legacy applications and taking that cloud platform and migrating or moving those legacy applications onto the Salesforce One platform. The cool thing is the benefit at the end of the day, in addition to kind of moving on to the cloud, is they inherit some really rich capabilities that sometimes they don't even count on inheriting, like mobility and social and collaboration, all built on top of a service that's highly scalable, built-in security, scalability, and high performance. So they kind of get all of that wrapped up all into one. I've been doing this for a few years, and in the technology industry, we all have seen different technologies, paradigm shifts, and things kind of come and go. And after all of these years, the thing that I can kind of put my finger on to investigate is the ecosystem. And by the ecosystem, what I mean is, what does the developer community look like? Does the platform allow for expansion of ISVs? Is there a marketplace where ISVs can participate and make money? Is there training? Is there a good, robust set of customers that are saying, hey, this technology is working for me? And is the company a leader in the industry? You know, obviously, I feel like Salesforce is leading in that ecosystem space for cloud type of applications and services. But at the end of the day, we'll see technologies come and go, but the ones that remain are the ones that have invested and developed an ecosystem to benefit their customer. It's interesting, every customer kind of has a different idea of what they think they want or what they'll get when they are at the end of the journey or going through the journey. But every customer I meet with, usually the first thing out of their mouth is, I can't believe how quickly I was able to move from the idea to the application or the feature, function, or mission that I was trying to accomplish. And so what they have been typically used to is usually a multi-year, highly complex journey that is fraught with risk. They've moved to a sometimes multi-week, multi-month, very low risk, usually in a very cost-effective way that has totally changed the way they think about the business problems that they can go tackle, right? So they no longer are like, oh, how do I kind of take this big long journey? What's the procurement cycle? What partners? What is the whole thing that I got to put together? They now can look at multiple projects, throw in the agile methodology approach, and be moving very quickly. That's the biggest advantage that I've seen from customers. Nothing is more important to Salesforce than the privacy and protection of our customers' data. And because of that, from day one, we've built security into every layer of the service. And in addition to that, we've provided our customers with a very robust set of security features that they can use inside their application to secure it as well. For example, encryption of the fields from end to end, encryption of the data as it moves and at rest, dual-factor authentication, field-level auditing, reporting, identity management, role-based access. These are all available in the service out of the box and allows the customer to secure their application and the access to that and the data. There's probably two. There's kind of a fun one, which would be the great thing about cloud computing platform software as a service like Salesforce is get started today. Go out to developer.salesforce.com. You can create a trial org very easily at no cost and just get started. You don't have to buy a bunch of servers, find a data center. We've done all that for you. So go ahead and experiment and see what hundreds of thousands of our customers are experiencing today. So that'd be my first suggestion. The second, we love the fact that our customers come and join us every year for the single largest technology conference on the planet from one company. We call that Dreamforce. It takes place September 15th through the 18th this year in San Francisco. And it's where more than 150,000 of our customers come together to learn more about how they can be successful with Salesforce, what is going on around the globe with Salesforce. And then specifically to our federal customers, we have some special sessions and time with them as well. So we'd encourage you to join us out there next month.